I am Dr. Rahman, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Reproductive Endocrinology and Infertility, Dhaka Medical College. Dhaka Medical College is the largest tertiary level hospital, and it is the largest hospital at government sector in Bangladesh. And I am serving there since 2016, and I am also the clinical director of Lumina IVF and Fertility Care Center in my private setting. I have offered and attained 2 courses from Merck Foundation, that is Merck More Than Mother. The first one is advanced training in the IVF or assisted reproductive technology from IIRRH at Bangalore in 2019, and there I got a fellowship for advanced ART training for 3 months. And after completion of that training, I started IVF Center at Dhaka Medical College, which was supervised by my head of the department at that time. And I am now the Associate Professor and Head of the department in Dhaka Medical College, and we serve daily about 40 to 45 patients there, and all types of infertility, the outdoor patients and indoor patients, indoor operations, and also all types of IUI, IVF we are doing there regularly. And a lot of underprivileged people from Bangladesh, from whole of the country, they come here and we give this treatment without any cost to the patient. It's given totally without cost. I'm also teaching a number of students. Just now I have 29 students under my guidance, and they are all doing FCPS infertility in Bangladesh College of Physicians and Surgeons, and I am guide of most of these students, and I also give them direct practical training by myself. My second course offered by Merck Foundation was Postgraduate Diploma in Sexual and Reproductive Medicine from UK. It was an online course and it was 1 year's duration. I started it in last of the September of 2020 and completed it in September 2021. It was a fantastic course. I learned many things from this course, and how to write thesis or how to write a question by solving, by analyzing other literatures, publications according to the UK guidelines. I learned it from here, and also I implemented my teaching, my knowledge from this learning, and it was a fantastic course, and I think it's helpful for me. After completing my training on advanced DRT in Bangalore, India, which was sponsored by Merck Foundation, I came to my country, and then I started IVF setting in my hospital, Dhaka Medical College, which is the public hospital, and this center was the most IVF center in Bangladesh. And till now, this is the IVF center which a public can attain without any cost. And here I also started to, at that time I was assistant professor, and then I promoted to associate professor, and later I became the head of the department of that unit, reproductive endocrinology and infertility. In our hospital, this unit includes large outdoor OPD and IVF center, and there was also indoor OT and operation theater, and also there is the ward. So about 15 patients get admitted daily, and they are taking fertility preserving surgeries there, like myomectomy, like hysteroscopy, laparoscopy, chocolate cystectomy, etc. And then the other patients who are getting treatment in outdoor basis, they are getting consultation. We are doing transvaginal sonography daily, and we are doing IUI. There is also andrology lab, IVF lab, and we are doing IVF regularly. And under my guidance, there are 29 students just now. They are getting training and for their FCPS, that is Fellowship in Reproductive Endocrinology and Infertility from Bangladesh College of Physicians and Surgeons. They're getting training from our center. So I think it's a great achievement. After completing my degree, my fellowship training from India, which was sponsored by Merck Foundation, I got that courage that I can do IVF. I will be able to perform anything in the field of IVF. And then with time, I have become the head of the department of that premises. And now there are success story of my own in my private sector. That is, I have established an IVF center, Lumina IVF and Fertility Care Center. I very frequently refer my students, my colleagues for the courses offered by Merck Foundation. I like to give my heartfelt thanks to Merck Foundation, because it is the Merck Foundation Merck More Than Mother program which made my dream to become possible. That is my dream of becoming an IVF specialist. So it's a lifelong desire of mine, and they just came to me as a blessing. So I'm very, very grateful to Merck Foundation. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Merck Foundation.